Hey, how's it going, guys? Michelle here with Artistic Intentions Studios. Still on location at my sister's house in sunny Southern California. So still don't have supplies to make paintings yet. So I'm just gonna go through, look at all the fun tie-dye stuff. We've got our shirts and bandanas and different things that we're gonna tie-dye that are mostly all cotton. And we have several people coming over tomorrow for a party. We've got some extra tie-dye kits here. We've got just picked up some black for some fun stuff, but really like to use is this stuff. This, if you like to tie-dye, this is an amazing company, Darmok Trading company. And they are like real professional dyes, and they have awesome kits. So, yeah, I definitely, you know what, I can even link them in the description of this video. It's a great company, and they're reasonable. They have all kinds of stuff. I mean, they even sell like hats and dresses and dog t-shirts and shirts and pants and skirts and all kinds of stuff that you can tie-dye. Yeah, so we got all kinds of different bottles in here, and clothespins and rubber bands and gloves, instruction booklets. My sister had this all packed really nicely, and now I've just messed up her. Yeah, but we are really looking forward to tomorrow, and I will try to get some video of all the excitement and some of the tie-dye projects. There'll probably be a couple different videos. We'll have, you know, some footage of actually doing the folding and dyeing, and then the next day the reveal, because you have to leave it tied up for 24 hours. Yeah. So anyway, that's our plan for tomorrow. Hope you guys will tune in. Sorry it's another short video, but it's kind of hard to do this every day when, you know, when I'm on vacation and just hanging out with my sister and stuff. We went to a concert last night, Casey Musgraves. She was amazing. It was a whole lot of fun. But so today we're just kind of low-key putting the snacks together and getting the tie-dye stuff organized for the party tomorrow afternoon. So thanks for hanging out. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you're having a great day. Have a great weekend. And be sure to come back and check us out again for some tie-dye fun. And then later on, next week, I'll do some paintings. So have a great day. Hope to see you again soon. Till next time, guys.